The typewriter sat alone on the desk, gleaming under a single flickering bulb. I found it in the attic, dustless and humming faintly, as if waiting for me. Curiosity won over caution. I rolled in a blank sheet, placed my fingers on the cold keys, and began to type. Sarah walked into the study. She heard footsteps behind her. My heart pounded as the floor creaked softly. I spun around. Nothing. Breathless, I typed again. A chill ran down her spine as icy fingers brushed her neck. A cold touch grazed my skin. Panic surged through me. I hammered out. She screamed, but no one heard. My throat tightened, my voice trapped inside. Tears burned my eyes as I slammed the spacebar, desperate to stop. The carriage refused to budge. Letters appeared by themselves. She realized her story was being written. My hands jerked away, but the keys clattered on, faster, spelling out, she would never leave the room. The bulb popped, plunging me into darkness. The typewriter kept clicking, each sentence sealing my fate. My last thought echoed in the keys. She was never seen again.